Introduction to caps and plugs. We generally classify our caps and plugs into 4 styles. Firstly, tapered. This design allows the part to plug multiple inner diameters or cap multiple outside diameters. These products are made to fit a wide range of sizes. They're the most versatile and therefore the most common. Push fit. These are designed to push in or over a specific size for a tight fit. Like tapered caps and plugs, push fit ranges are a great solution where speed of applying and removing the products is important. Threaded. Designed to screw in or on top of a specific thread size. They are less prone to coming loose from vibration and are able to create a tighter seal. Specialist. Where products are designed to provide a specific solution and fit. Examples include drive shaft caps used to protect and mask a drive shaft and its surrounding bearing, and meter caps designed to protect threads on gas and water meters.